Before buying a tonneau cover for your GMC Sierra, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Let's kick things off with the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Priced around $249, this one caught my eye not just for its affordability, but for its solid 4.7-star rating from over 3,700 reviews. If you want a reliable cover that balances quality and cost, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The T3 is designed to fit 2019-2026 GMC Sierra 1500s with a 510 bed. It boasts a dual-coated heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl that is both weather-resistant and durable. Plus, the aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensures it won't buckle under pressure. Now I'll be real with you. Some users pointed out that installation could be tricky if you have an over-the-bedrail bed liner since it requires cutting. Here's the thing, though. If you're handy or don't mind a little DIY work, it's a small price to pay for the protection it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy, cost-effective cover that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you prefer a hard cover or need something that's ultra easy to install without any modifications. Now, if the potential installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gator Soft Roll-Up. Next up is the Gator Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Coming in at $219.99, it has a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews. If you're after something easy to install and very user-friendly, you should pay attention to this. So what makes it stand out? This cover is tailored for 2019-2026 GMC Sierra 1500s with a 510 bed and utilizes a no-drill installation system, which makes it a breeze to set up. The patented stay-closed grip ensures it stays put during even the wildest weather, while the spring-loaded tension control system prevents sagging. This is crucial because no one wants a cover flapping around or letting water in. However, some users did mention that the low-profile design might not be as sturdy as a hard cover. But here's the thing. If you prioritize ease of use and don't often carry heavy payloads, this cover does an excellent job keeping your cargo dry and secure. This is perfect for you if you need a user-friendly cover that provides reliable protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand heavy-duty usage. For the price and convenience, it's a great choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a roll-up style with enhanced features. Product number 3, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. The Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is next, priced at $199.95 and boasting a 4.6-star rating from around 2,700 reviews. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is worth considering. This cover fits the same GMC Sierra models, and like the T3, it features heavy-duty vinyl construction. It has a Velcro strip and a latch lock system at the tailgate, which means you can be confident your cargo is secure. The tension system also keeps the cover tight, preventing any wrinkles and ensuring water resistance. This is especially important for those unexpected rainstorms. That said, some users have found that the Velcro can wear out over time if not maintained properly. But honestly, if you take care of it, this cover will serve you well, and it's a small trade-off for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable cover that's easy to install and provides solid protection. Skip this one if you need something with a more robust locking mechanism. For the money, it's a reliable pick. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, BAK Backflip MX4. If you're in the market for a hard cover, the BAK Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is worth your attention. Priced at $1,134.99, it might be on the high end, but it has a 4.3-star rating from over 1,100 reviews. If you're serious about security and durability, this one's for you. This hardcover fits the same GMC Sierra models and features an updated auto-latch locking system that makes it significantly more secure than previous models. The tight-fit clamps also keep water out, which is a major concern for truck owners. Plus, with 100% bed access, you can fold it up when you need to carry larger items, which is a huge advantage. However, the price tag is definitely steep, and some buyers expressed concern about the weight of the cover. But here's the thing, if you prioritize security and are willing to invest, this cover is an excellent choice that offers peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you need a secure cover and don't mind spending a bit more for quality. Skip this one if your budget is tight or you prefer a lighter option. It's a solid investment for serious truck owners. Now, if security is a priority but you want something a little more affordable, the last option might just be the right fit for you. Product number 5, Caffrey Hard Trifold. Finally, we have the Caffrey Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Priced at $474.95, it has a strong reputation with a 4.7-star rating from over 415 reviews. If you need a hard cover that's easy to use, this could be the one. That's impressive for those who might carry heavy tools or gear. The hardcover design protects against severe weather, keeping everything safe and dry, which is a significant concern for truck owners. However, some users have noted that the installation can take a little longer compared to soft covers. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in the extra time, you'll get a cover that offers durability and security. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy cover that protects against the elements. Skip this one if you want something easier to install without much hassle. For the protection and load capacity, it's definitely worth the investment. To wrap it up, we've looked at some excellent options for GMC Sierra Tonneau covers. From the affordable Tiger Auto T3 to the robust BAK Backflip MX4, there's something here for everyone's needs. No matter which you choose, make sure it fits your truck and your lifestyle. Happy hauling!